Hi friends, and welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to be unbagging LipMonthly. So I got my LipMonthly for the month of March, and just to let you guys know, I have unsubscribed from this subscription. I'm not too happy with it. I did happen to look inside and to see what we got for this month, and after looking at it, I was like, yeah, no, I'm not keeping it anymore. To let you guys know, LipMonthly is $12.95 a month, and I think a lot of people think it's worth it. Some people don't. Myself don't think it's worth it, and I'll explain to you why. So the first thing I see is this Bang Beauty. It's a lip crayon, and it is in the color Kiss Me. And that is what it looks like. And I don't want to swatch this because I already have this. I have gotten this, I can't tell you how many times, in a subscription box. So I'm just going to put this on the side and send this over to you guys in my next giveaway. And the next thing I see is this Dirty Little Secret. This is in the color Bashful. And this is a cream lipstick. And it's very adorable. It's very pretty, but I would never wear this, and I already have so many cream lipsticks that I'm also going to put this aside and put this in a future giveaway as well. And the next thing I see is this Percy Professionals Lip Enhancing Gloss, and it's in this pretty pink sparkle. And as I don't also want to swatch this either or use it because I will not wear this. So this is another product that will be going in a giveaway. And the last thing is this Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. Now this is something I do like, so this is one of the 4 things that I will keep for myself, but it's very beautiful. So, and this is like why I want to not keep this subscription, because out of the 4 products, I will use 1. So I mean, it's great for you guys. You guys will get to have, you know, some extra stuff in a giveaway, but it kind of sucks for me to throw my hard-earned money to something that I just will never use. And I also want to up my channel up too. I'm not going to be doing as many get ready with me's makeup stuff and makeup subscriptions and makeup looks. I will still do it, but not all the time. I also want to start doing clean with me videos, some more cooking and baking videos, because I have noticed I have put all my love and attention into makeup. I love makeup, I love beauty, but it's not all about me, and there's more to. Well, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you will subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video.